Are you in the gig economy and you're looking to expand your options as far as ways that you can make money? If you answer yes to that question, you'll want to stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you a new service that's going to be coming to your area pretty soon. Hello everyone, this is Elijah with the Rideshare Guy, and in this video we're going to be talking about Cornershop and how there's a massive expansion that's coming down the line. And with that being the case, you might want to consider adding it to your number of apps that you can work for to make some additional money in the gig economy. According to our latest Uber driver survey, which you can access at therideshareguy.com, about 50% of gig workers are driving for more than one app nowadays, which makes sense since we all want to maximize our earnings. That's why it might make sense to give Cornershop a try. But what is Cornershop, for those of y'all that don't know? Cornershop by Uber is one of the newest options, and they specialize in grocery delivery. The company first started getting traction in 2015 in Latin America and is now expanding quickly into the United States. In May 2020, Cornershop entered the U.S. market, beginning with operations in Dallas and Miami. Cornershop is now available in Miami, New York City, Dallas, Washington, D.C., North Jersey, New Orleans, Houston, Austin, Orlando, Tampa, and Jacksonville, along with other plans to expand to major metroplexes across America pretty soon. In 2015, Uber bought about 50% of the Cornershop company, but recently they made a decision to acquire all of Cornershop now. The cost of obtaining full ownership of Cornershop is going to be around 29 million shares, and this transaction is expected to clear somewhere around July 2021. Now, if you ask my opinion, I think Uber is doing this to beef up their delivery services to be a little more whole-rounded, if that makes any sense, because they have Uber Eats and they have Rideshare, and they really want to expand into grocery delivery. And I believe this is their way of doing so. We got to remember that it wasn't all that long ago that Uber acquired Postmates, and now the Postmates driver app is pretty much, but all those Postmates customers still place orders on Postmates. The only difference is those Postmates orders are filled by Uber Eats drivers, kind of similar to how when Doordash bought Caviar, all of the Caviar orders started getting delivered by Dashers. So you might be asking, Elijah, what does this have to do with us drivers? Well, overall, this is good news because it just means it's just another app that we can use to make some additional money. For example, let's say if you just strictly do grocery delivery, you don't want to touch anything else. So that means your options as of right now would be Instacart and Shipt. But if Cornershop enters your market, now you have a third option: Instacart, Shipt, and Cornershop. And that's just assuming you just stick to grocery delivery. You might do grocery delivery and food delivery. You might do grocery delivery, food delivery, and rideshare. It doesn't really overall matter which area you want to stick to. The feeling that you have multiple options is always going to be a good thing because you have different ways of meeting your target money goals. And from a market point of view, the more options we have as drivers to make more money, the more these companies are going to be fighting over us and giving extra incentives and promotions out to get us exclusive to their platform. Somewhere down the line, or maybe even in the short term too, we'll probably see an increase in overall promotions because these apps really want to get us on their platform as opposed to being on their competitor's platform. So overall, it works out pretty good for us drivers. So with that being said, if you're interested in checking out Cornershop, you want to click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment and you can sign up. And if you want to know a little bit more about Cornershop, be sure to check out our article at the Rideshare Guy where we go into more detail about Cornershop. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. As well, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to smash that like button if you found value in this video. I will catch you in the next one. This has been Elijah with the Rideshare Guy. Be safe, be profitable, everyone.